In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make videos fade to black in DaVinci Resolve. A clean fade to black is one of the simplest ways to wrap up a scene, signal a transition, or give your video a polished ending. It gently dims the picture instead of cutting abruptly, which helps your story feel intentional and professional. We'll keep this straightforward and focused so you can apply it right away. Start by opening the DaVinci Resolve app. Once it loads, make sure you're working in the Edit tab. This is the workspace designed for timeline editing where clips, tracks, and transitions are easy to manage. If you're seeing nodes or color wheels, you're likely in another page. Switch to Edit so you can access the timeline tools we need. With the Edit tab active, look at your timeline and find the video clip you want to fade out. Move your pointer to the very top right corner of that clip and pause there. When you're in the right spot, a small white handle will appear at the top edge. It can be subtle, so aim precisely for the top border of the video portion of the clip. If you don't see it immediately, make sure you're hovering the video clip itself, not the audio track below, and consider zooming into the timeline a bit to make the corner easier to grab. Once that little white handle is visible, click it and drag to the left. As you drag, you'll notice a gentle sloping overlay forming along the end of the clip. That sloped shape is your fade out. The farther you pull the handle, the longer the fade will last, and the smoother and slower the transition to black will feel. Release the mouse when the ramp looks right for your edit. The distance you drag directly controls the speed of the fade. A short drag creates a quick, snappy dip to black, great for concise endings or energetic content. A longer drag produces a slow, cinematic fade, perfect for emotional beats or reflective outros. As a starting point, many editors like a 1 to 2 second fade for general content, then adjust by eye and ear based on pacing and music. Give the end of your clip a quick playback to confirm the timing feels natural and that nothing important is being cut off by the fade. If it's too fast or too slow, just grab the same handle and nudge it until the transition matches your vision. That's all there is to it. Open Resolve, work in the Edit tab, reveal the corner handle, drag to create the fade, and fine-tune the duration for the perfect fade to black.